Hey, computer science folks, real quick video here showing how you can use Zoom to make your CreatePT video submission. So you are going to want to log into Zoom with your school account. And then in Zoom, you need to launch your personal meeting room. So you are going to start your own meeting. You'll be the only person there. Within your meeting room, you are actually going to go to these. Well, first you're going to go to share screen, and you are going to share the code.org web page that has your program available. I am just sharing this because that's what's up on my screen. Then you are going to go to these three dots, extended menu, and come down to record on this computer. So now I just clicked on it and I'm making a really quick video. I'll just jump around to change the screen a little bit. Okay, so now I will stop recording and I'm done, right? My video was obviously too short, but I'm just getting the process here. Now, when I end this meeting, I'm going to get a little box that's telling me that my video is being converted and stored on my computer. Oh, once that is done, it put it in my documents, and there's a Zoom. Now there's a Zoom folder in my documents, and I can open up this Zoom video. I probably want to rename it. So let's rename it Create PT Spurfund. Okay, so now when I look at my video, on this, there it is. All right. But more importantly, I can look at the properties of this video and make sure that it meets the requirements set up by the College Board. So you can see there that this video was made into an MP4 file, which is a accepted file. You can see it's only 532 kilobytes, so it's less than the 30 megabyte requirement. And then if I go over here to details, my entire video was only 13 seconds long, which is of course less than the 1 minute in length. So from a technical aspect, this Zoom video now meets all the requirements made by the College Board. So what I would do here is I'd go back to, let me see, that was under Documents, Zoom, and then I actually, it's the bottom one here, right here. All right, so now I would take this video and I would transfer it over into the file that I've created to store my submissions until the end of the week, and then I'll eventually be able to upload it into the College Board digital portfolio. Okay, good luck. Hope you guys are doing well. I'll see you later in the spring.